on a budget. I'm your host, Miss Cosplay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your very own Steven Universe pumpkin! So this is the little pumpkin pupper from Steven Universe, and you can actually put a tea light in him and he lights up and everything like that. It's really cute. And altogether, because I had most of the stuff to make him and I only had to buy the pumpkin, this costed me only $1. So $1 for this cute little pumpkin. So if you guys would like to learn how to make him, then keep on watching. So I got this styrofoam pumpkin at the Dollar Tree, and it's just one of those hollow foam pumpkins that you get at the Dollar Tree around Halloween time. And as you can see, there is this line that goes around the middle, and it's very uneven. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some fabric paint and just go along the line to kind of even it out a bit. This is completely optional, it just bugs me a little bit, so... But the first thing I'm going to be doing is removing the stem because it is already coming off. And as you can see, it's just held on with a toothpick of all things. So when I put this back on, I'm going to be hot gluing it in place. And I'm also going to be editing the stem a bit to look a bit more like pumpkin stem. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we will move on to the next step. Okay, so now that the fabric paint is completely dry, I went ahead and drew on Pumpkin's face. And now I'm going to start carving it out with a box cutter. If you are younger, please have an adult help you with this part. So I made these the other day out of air dry clay, and as you can see, they aren't perfect. I cut the bottoms and the tops flat just so it would sit a bit better, and I can just use some sandpaper to smooth them out some more. But you're not really going to see them that much since they will be Pumpkin's feet and they're going to be on the bottom of the pumpkin, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay, so I went ahead and glued them on with some hot glue to make sure they stayed. Okay, so here is his face all carved out, and I went ahead and cut the top open so that I could get to the inside to not only paint it, but to later put a battery operated tea light in there. And make sure you use battery operated since this is foam. And because I carved it at an angle, I can just pop the top back on easily. So I'm going to work on the leaf tail that attaches to the stem. But first I'm going to paint the whole thing orange again, because not only did I get some yellow on the outside, but this way the orange on the feet will match the rest of it. So first I took a length of craft wire, folded it in half, and twisted it together, and then just glued it down on some fabric. If you have green fabric, that would be better. I didn't, so I'm going to have to paint mine later on. I then folded it over once and glued it down. And then folded it over again and glued it and the edges down. Next I cut out two pieces for the leaf shape, and first I just glued the wire part on top of one piece, and then glued the other leaf shape on top of that, kind of sandwiching it in between. For the stem, I actually took the toothpick that originally held it to the pumpkin and made little indents all over the stem to make it look more like pumpkins. And now I'm going to paint it the same green that I used for the leaf tail so that it all matches. Okay, so here he is fully painted now. I'm just waiting for the top part to dry fully. I've already gone ahead and glued the leaf tail to the bottom of the stem. And I also went over the leaf with a green pin I had, just to give it some veins and things. So I'm just going to wait for the top piece to dry so I can glue the stem on, and he will be finished. So there it is, there's how to make your very own Steven Universe pumpkin pupper. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos and to become part of our little cosplay family here. And go ahead and ring that bell for notifications for whenever I upload. And if you like what I do here and you would like to support me and my channel, then you can go ahead and head on over to myko-fi.com/misscosplay and buy me a coffee. I would really appreciate it, and all donations go to more cosplay supplies so I can continue to bring you guys more tutorials. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!